Welcome to the presentation of our work studying the link between personality and spatial learning in Mallards. In this work, we characterize personality types in Mallards. These different personalities had physiological correlates, as fast explorers had lower stress responses than slow explorers. However, all our individuals were able to learn to find their way in a maze in order to localize a food reward. Interestingly, fast explorers took longer to cross the maze, mainly because they engaged in other activities such as foraging. Studying personality is important as using individuals with different personalities may induce biases in experimental results. By definition, personalities are consistent inter-individual differences over time. In this graph, 3 individuals have their personality trait assessed at 10 different time steps, and you can see that each individual tends to specialize in a behavioral range. Problems with experiments, in particular cognitive experiments, occur when behavioral differences between individuals lead to different reactions towards the cognitive task. For instance, in some cases, individuals B and C may be easier to handle by human observers. In other cases, they may be more eager to participate in cognitive tests. And still in other cases, they may simply react more strongly than individual A. All of this independently of each individual's respective cognitive abilities. Usually, behavioral personality profiles are correlated with physiological reactions such as stress responses, with shy individuals having higher stress responses than bold individuals. When learning a spatial task, individuals may use 3 types of mechanisms. First, they can use the information produced by their own displacement, also called idiothetic information. Otherwise, they may pay more or less attention to visual or auditory cues. Finally, they may choose to make different decisions to solve the task. Personality is likely to influence at least these last 2 types of mechanism. In our study, we used female Mallards. They went through 6 personality tests over an 8-month period. Novel environment and novel object tests are standard procedures to assess exploration levels. We also conducted a stress response experiment to verify the association between personality and physiology. The learning task had 2 phases with different maze configuration. First, individuals learned to go to their rewarded compartment with the presence of semi-transparent barriers. Then, in a second phase, we removed all barriers and added blue tarpaulins on the ground to avoid mallards searching for foraging opportunities. Overall, fast explorers reacted faster to the opening of the door of the pre-start compartment. They actually nearly rushed into the maze as soon as they could. Yet mallards of all personalities were also sensitive to the maze configuration. The addition of blue tarpaulins increased the mallard's latency to enter in the maze. Removing foraging opportunities reduced crossing time for slow explorers. Compare the left part of each panel. But this decline was much more abrupt for fast explorers, as you can see when comparing the right part of each panel. Our study shows that mallards display long-term personality profiles. We did not show the results here, but despite different reactions toward the task, all individuals of all personality types did learn successfully the location of their rewarded compartment. It is therefore important to account for personality when designing cognitive experiments. A nice thing about learning is that it leads to knowledge. We were even able to teach different reward locations to different mallards on their own. We can thus now create groups of individuals with conflicting information, for instance the 3 individuals on the right side of the picture, or with individuals naive to the maze, the 2 mallards on the left. It is then interesting to see how information content, among other variables such as position in a social network, interact to determine group decisions.